What's going on, you guys? Kyle here, Wolverine Engines. Today I got something a little different. Thought I'd walk you through how we're going to fix this. Alright, we have a very old diesel generator here that we've rebuilt. I'm going to put the water pump together, and it is chewed up in here. So what's happened is this has spun and it's done some damage on the shaft, but it's also made, this is supposed to be straight all the way across and not a circle in the middle there. So this doesn't connect very good anymore. And these are not available for this anymore, so I'm told. So what we're gonna do is I found a pin that's gonna go, I found a pin that will go all the way across and get into the good unmarked area, undamaged area. So we're gonna cut the thickness of the pin off, and we'll do a calculation on how much we need to cut off, and then we'll weld this on. And then we also have some grooving in here we're gonna fix. Let's get over to the lathe. This would have been easier to fix before the starter was here. Easier to measure. So I'm going to measure the depth here. I got to put the camera down and see how much room we have to work with. It can't go past that shoulder right there, so I know that much. Alright, so we were getting 3/8 of an inch in the hole, 0.375. And this is actually longer than that, 400 thousandths. So we don't have any extra room to work with as far as I can tell. So I'm going to take, as a 1/4 inch pin, I'm going to take a 1/4 inch off the end of this. We're going to start by doing a cleanup cut. It's all mangled on the end. See where it really is. Touching on about half of it. Close enough. So we will set 0 on Z, and then we'll feed in 250 thousandths and chop it off. Okay, that's about all the damaged area. That's probably all that was really sticking in, but we're gonna go all the way. Okay. And then the pin's gonna get welded on just like that. Alright, got it set up in the 4-jaw. Let's get this thing dialed in. So whatever I take out of the bottom, I have to take off the top surface to keep our impeller gap correct. As you can see, there's not a lot to take off, so 20-30 thousandths is all I'll be able to take, and it'll just have to be as good as it can get. Alright, we touched right here. Again, this is pretty rough, but we're checking the surface in this direction. 3 feet on a little more. 3. Alright, so we're out of gear. First thing is just to bring it in here by hand. Too much. And just make sure that this isn't going to hit anything, and we got plenty of room. And right about there. I need to get a light next to what I'm doing. Okay, I don't know how good you can see down in there, but there's one high spot, and that's under this divider plate. That's no wear on it. So that's what I'm going to use as my touch-off point. And we'll go from there. Like I said, I'm going to try to limit myself 20-30 thousandths. So zeroing Z out right now. There we go. Let's see what happens. Put it back in gear. Okay, that was 12. Oh, hello. Hey. Jeez. Alright, where were we? It's actually cleaning up pretty nice. We got, I mean, that's 90% of it's taken care of, and we're only 11 thousandths in, so let's fire this up and do it again. Holy smokes, I got it. 20 thousandths. That is awesome. Okay, so now let's come out here and we'll touch off to the front surface. That's a pretty good finish too. I'm quite pleased with that. Let's take 20 thousandths off the front surface. Hit anything I shouldn't. We're actually going to hit the flanges here a little bit. So get out past them just to make sure that doesn't interfere. Okay. a beauty. Like brand new. Alright, there's our finished products. I just got to grind this weld down a little bit there so it fits in, but it actually does fit in right now, but it's a little tight. Should slide in. And there's our pump. Came out beautiful. Didn't have to take as much as I thought I would. So anyways, just a neat little project. Thank y'all for watching.